It's a Texas weather discussion video for Monday, the 8th of July. I'm Donovan Neal. Although we're supposed to get some scattered showers and storms later this afternoon and evening, expect much of the same weather for the next week or so. Mostly sunny, hot, humid, dry, highs mostly in the upper 90s. Let's take a look at our upper air map across the nation this morning. You can see upper high is basically parked right on top of us, and that's going to be a catalyst for lots of dry weather over the coming days. You can see on the visible satellite view clouds backing in from the west, and also some storms going up in the west. Also, this is the radar earlier this morning. You can see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing out in West Texas. They'll eventually move to the east this afternoon, and more development is possible during the evening hours. On the temperatures earlier this morning, mostly in the upper 80s, or even a low 90 reading near Burleson, Sherman, and Greenville. And we'll be in the upper 90s again later today. Heat indices will be in the triple digits once again. And across the watch warning map's got some flooding issues out in East Montana and also parts of the Central Plains as well. But other than that, we remain pretty quiet. On the convective outlooks, got some severe weather risk out in parts of the High Plains and also parts of the Rockies. Down here, we're in the green, which means we'll have a risk of scattered showers and storms, but no organized severe weather is expected. Same thing tomorrow and same thing on Wednesday. Risk of severe storms out in the Great Lakes, also extending through parts of the southern plains. Now let's take a look at our tropics. It's been quiet for a while, but it wouldn't stay like this forever. You can see we have Invest 92L out in the Gulf of Mexico. It's a broad low, but it has at least an 80% chance of becoming at least a tropical depression within the next 5 days. But we won't see development for at least the next 2 days, but during the next 5 days, we can expect to see maybe something developing within the next 5 days, at least an 80% chance of that developing. But the one thing that we're not certain about is where it will go, and that's where we turn to modeling here. This is the 12Z run of the GFS followed this afternoon at 4 o'clock local time. You can see we have troughing to the west, ridging to the east, and down here, like I said before, will be mostly sunny and humid with a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. And let's take a look at the NAM here. And how I don't like showing these mesoscale models during the summertime, because they're just really not that useful, especially during the summertime due to the scattered, often random nature of these storms. Mostly small scale features depend on the exact timing and placement of the storm, so that's why I don't like showing these models. But just know that during the afternoon and evening hours today, expect chances of scattered showers and storms. And you can see on Tuesday, tomorrow, we do clear a little bit tomorrow on Tuesday. Highs mostly in the upper 90s at this point. Same thing Wednesday, and pretty much the same deal on Thursday. Notice how in the Gulf, that area of heavy rain has been shifting more to the west. And on Thursday, again, mostly sunny, mixing sun and clouds. Chance of isolated, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms. And here's Friday. See, low becomes more defined. You can see rain becoming more heavy near the Houston area at this point. And here's Saturday as the weekend begins. The low or future tropical depression actually on top of South Texas as on Saturday evening. And of course, many ensemble members have hinted towards this. The European ensembles hinted towards this. So this is definitely not out of the realm of possibility. So we're just going to have to keep watching this, especially for our southern and eastern friends out in East Texas. If this were to verify, that would mean a better chance of showers and storms mainly during the Friday and the weekend, and even earlier parts of next week. And of course, Sunday, that low dissipates once heat reaches to the land. Mostly sunny, highs mostly in the upper 90s. And of course, here's a week from today, Monday the 15th of July. You can see we have that low still off to the south, and down here, that'll actually enhance our chances of showers and storms, isolated showers and storms at least. Highs will be in the mid to upper 90s again. And let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday the 18th. You can see we have heights where they should be here, and that looks pretty dry. As you can see for the numbers for the next 15 days through mid-July, you can see highs mostly in the upper 90s and lows pretty much in the upper 70s to low 80s. We're getting towards the dog days of summer. That's it for the Texas weather discussion video for today. I'm running to the blog. Next video here will be posted at around noon tomorrow afternoon. If you can't catch local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and Godspeed.